going to tell you some ways to save money on your water bills. Now, if you find any of this useful in any way, please make sure that you hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and also share it with people you know. Now, the average combined water and sewage bill in the UK in 2021 was £419, and that's according to Discover Water. Now, how your water bill is calculated varies on whether you have a water meter at your property or not, as that will determine the type of bill that is issued to your household, meaning you will either receive a metered water bill or an unmetered water bill. Whether you'll be better off with a water meter or not, as a general rule of thumb, if you have fewer people than bedrooms in your property, you'll probably be better off with a water meter. And you can also check this by using the Consumer Council for Water's water meter calculator, and we'll put a link in the notes of this video below. Now, if you have a water meter installed, you could save money on your water bill. So I'm going to rattle through some tips. First of all, fix any leaks. So Water UK estimates that a dripping tap can waste at least 5,000 litres of water a year. So getting a leak fixed quickly can save a large amount of water as well as money on your annual bill. Only boil the water you need when you're making tea or coffee, because that will actually save water but also energy and therefore money. Make sure you wash any fruit and vegetables in a bowl rather than using a running tap. Then when you're finished, you can take that water and use it perhaps in the garden to water plants. If you're one of these people that likes to run the tap to get a cold drink, then why not actually put water in a jug and put that water in the fridge to get you a nice cool drink without you having to waste water by running the tap every time you need a drink. Use a washing up bowl when you actually wash up. That can save you up to 50% on the water you use when doing washing up. Use eco settings on your appliances. That uses less water, saving you not only water but also energy usage and therefore money. Make sure that when you use a dishwasher that it is full. Also shower instead of using a bath. Then there's the old favourite of turning off the tap when you brush your teeth, because running the tap when you're brushing your teeth can waste up to 6 litres of water per minute, and that is per person in your household. Think about adding a water saving device to your toilet cistern, and it enables you to save water every time you flush. Basically, it sits in the cistern and it therefore means that less water is put into the cistern before it stops filling up, and therefore each time you flush you use less water. Now, you can get some of these devices for free from most water companies, so ask your water company if there's any available. Install a water butt is obviously another option, so you can catch rainwater and you can then use that to water your plants, but it is even possible to attach a hose to one so you can wash your car with that water. Also use a watering can instead of using a hose, because that can save you money as well. But what about if you're struggling to pay your water bill? Well, the first thing, contact your water company to discuss the situation. Don't stop paying your water bill, as this could lead to further financial difficulty. Check if you're entitled to any discounts on your water bill. If you are, for example, on a low income or you receive benefits, contact the water supplier again, because they'll have more information on the support that they can give you. And are you eligible for any grants or schemes? Again, the water company should have access to that information and should be able to tell you. Also, you may be able to pay your water bills directly from any benefits you receive, such as income support or pension credit. So if you found that video useful, please hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel.